A hurricane is quickly approaching the Space Coast, and NASA's $4 billion rocket is sitting out on the launch pad. Here's why the decision on whether to roll back or not was actually really complicated in this case. Tropical Storm Nicole is currently projected to make landfall just south of Cape Canaveral as a Category 1 hurricane. The SLS rocket for the Artemis 1 mission is currently scheduled to launch no earlier than November 16th. It is really easy to say, hey NASA, maybe roll back the $4 billion rocket and just leave it out in a hurricane. But here's why it's complicated. First, it's about a month turnaround if they roll back. It's not an easy thing to do. That would mean they basically miss all their potential November launch windows, and they've got to get this thing off the ground if they want to focus on Artemis 2, which is the first crewed mission. Second, it's a rocket, not a yo-yo. They can't just keep rolling it out and bringing it back in. It's stressful on the rocket. The thing is taller than the Statue of Liberty. They risk damage every time they roll it out and roll it back. Plus, each SLS rocket has a lifetime limit on rollbacks, and they only have one left. As an aside, if they had to, they probably could extend that, but my guess is they don't want to get themselves in that situation where they have to make that decision. So, SLS is going to weather what looks like a Category 1 hurricane out on the pad. The rocket can handle wind gusts up to around 85 miles per hour. A Category 1 hurricane has sustained winds up to about 74 miles per hour to 95 miles per hour. So this could be really bad. It could be fine, but it could also be really bad. We'll see what happens.